This literature kit on From the Mixed-Up Files of Mrs. Basil E. Frankweiler by E. L. Konigsberg enhances instruction and allows for much deeper conversations to keep students engaged. 55 pages chocked full of before-you-read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Imagine who the character of Mrs. Basil E. Frankweiler will be and what role she will play in the story. Put the Kincaid children's actions in the correct order they occurred as they ran away. Find a simile used to describe how hungry the children are in the book. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as inventing a character and writing a letter similar to what Mrs. Frankweiler does at the beginning of the novel. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Draw a map of the children's journey in the style of a plot pyramid. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.